Novo Nordisk, the global pharmaceutical leader known for its innovative treatments for diabetes and obesity, has announced the closure of its cell therapy research and development division. This move affects approximately 250 employees and is part of a broader restructuring strategy aimed at streamlining the company's operations and focusing resources on higher growth areas. The decision marks a significant shift in Novo Nordisk's approach to research, particularly in the emerging field of cell therapy. The restructuring initiative comes under the leadership of CEO Mike Doustdar, who assumed the role earlier this year. Under his direction, Novo Nordisk has launched a company-wide effort to optimize its workforce and operations. The plan includes reducing around 9,000 jobs globally, roughly 11% of its total workforce. The objective is to achieve annual cost savings of approximately $1.25 billion by the end of 2026. Beyond cost reductions, the restructuring seeks to simplify organizational structures, eliminate redundancies, and sharpen focus on areas where the company has established expertise and strong market potential. The closure of the cell therapy unit halts several promising research programs. These projects were exploring innovative treatments for type 1 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and chronic heart failure. Among the most ambitious initiatives was the development of insulin-producing beta cells for type 1 diabetes patients. This research aimed to provide a potential functional cure for the condition, but the program has now been discontinued. Additionally, Novo Nordisk terminated its partnership with Japan's Heartseed Inc., which was valued at nearly $600 million and focused on developing cell therapies for heart failure. This termination underscores the company's shift away from experimental cell therapies toward areas with proven commercial potential. Financially, the restructuring is expected to generate significant long-term savings. However, it comes with upfront costs, including severance and program wind-down expenses. Novo Nordisk has also revised its operating profit growth forecast downward from 10-16% to 4-10% for the next fiscal year. Following the announcement, the company's stock experienced a modest decline, reflecting investor concerns about the potential short-term impact on growth and innovation pipelines. Strategically, the company is concentrating on its core therapeutic areas, diabetes and obesity treatments. To reinforce this focus, Novo Nordisk recently acquired Akero Therapeutics for up to $5.2 billion, adding an experimental drug targeting metabolic dysfunction-associated steatohepatitis (MASH) to its portfolio. This acquisition signals a continued commitment to addressing cardiometabolic diseases, a sector where the company already holds a strong market position. The integration of Akero's innovative treatments is expected to complement Novo Nordisk's existing offerings and accelerate growth in these high-priority areas. While the closure of the cell therapy division may disappoint stakeholders invested in groundbreaking medical research, Novo Nordisk is clear about its long-term strategic priorities. By redirecting resources from experimental projects to proven therapies and high-growth opportunities, the company aims to strengthen its competitive position and deliver sustained value to patients and shareholders alike. Looking forward, the success of this restructuring will depend on Novo Nordisk's ability to efficiently integrate new acquisitions, maintain momentum in its core diabetes and obesity markets, and continue developing treatments that address pressing global health challenges. Although the decision to shut the cell therapy unit represents a retreat from certain innovative approaches, it highlights the company's pragmatic focus on areas where it can deliver the greatest impact and commercial success.